Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do formulas based on minus 1's formula. Okay, so where I am going to apply the formula of minus 1, wherever I won't have enough beats to add minus 1, enough beats to subtract minus 1, right? Because we have minus 1's formula. I will be doing the question, I will be getting stuck in doing minus 1. What I will do, the moment I'll get stuck, I'll apply the formula that's written there. It's minus 5 plus 4 minus God plus friend. 5 is the God, 4 is the friend. Okay. Okay. So B row we will be doing in the class as usual and A row will be your homework. Okay. So let us start. Add 4. Added 4. Now plus 1. Plus 1 we know ma'am. We have done questions based on plus 1 small friends. Wherever I will get stuck in doing plus 1 I will do plus 5 minus 4. Okay. Then minus 1. This minus 1 I don't know, ma'am. Yes. So for this minus 1, we will apply the formula. That is minus 5 plus 4. But why, ma'am? Because can you see any beads here to do minus 1? No, right? So what will I do? I'll apply the formula of minus 1. That is minus 5 plus 4. Now plus 2. Do I have enough beads to do plus 2? No. So formula of plus 2 plus 5 minus 3. My answer is 6. Okay. Next question. 2. Okay. Then 3. 3 again, we know the formula of 3 plus 5 minus 2. Because we are getting stuck in adding 3, so we applied 3's formula, that is plus 5 minus 2. Now minus 1 again. No beats for minus 1, so minus 5 plus 4. Okay. Then plus 4 again. Do I have beats for plus 4? No. So formula of plus 4, plus 5 minus 1. Okay, like wherever you are stuck, whether in plus, whether in minus, you have to apply its formula. Okay. Next question. Yeah. Next question now. 3, added 3. Then 2. I don't have enough beats for 2. So formula of 2 plus 5 minus 3. Then minus 1. Do I have enough beats for minus 1? No. So formula of minus 1 minus 5 plus 4. Now plus 3. Do I have enough beats to do plus 3? No. So formula of plus 3 plus 5 minus 2. Ma'am, you are applying formula everywhere. Yes, because you can get stuck n number of times in one question. So you have to apply the formula n number of times. Okay. Next question. Ma'am, how do you remember all these formulas? How can I remember all these formulas? The thing is, they are so much in practice. Okay. I have done so much practice that they are in my habit now. Okay, so sometimes I don't even have to remember the formula. I just know them because I'm in so much habit of doing them. So same thing is going to happen to you. And at some point when you will be, practicing a lot of questions, you will just, forget that there were any formulas. You will be so habitual of doing them, you will just do them so fast that you will not even think of the formulas, okay? Obviously, you will think of the formulas when you are stuck, like really stuck somewhere in a hard question. That time, formulas will only help. But in 99% of the questions, when you will be in practice, you will be able to solve them without without remembering the formula like that. Just directly you will apply them without even realizing. Okay. Next question. 1 added 1 plus 4. Do I have beats for plus 4? No. So formula of plus 4 plus 5 minus 1. Then minus 1 again. Do I have beats for minus 1? No. Formula of minus 1 minus 5 plus 4. Now plus 5 plus 5. My answer is 9. Okay. Then ma'am, why are you applying the formula? Why are you speaking the formula again and again? If you are so habitual, to make you guys understand. If you guys are stuck somewhere, you can watch my video and understand where did I apply which formula. Okay. Next question. 5 added 5. Now minus 1. Do I have enough beats to do minus 1? No. So formula of minus 1 minus 5 plus 4. Now plus 1. Do I have beats to do plus 1? No. Formula of plus 1 plus 5 minus 4. Then again minus 1. See, they are trying to confuse us. So for minus 1, it's minus 5 plus 4. Minus 5 plus 4. Wherever you are stuck on minus, minus 5 will come first. Wherever you are stuck on plus, plus 5 will come. Okay. My answer is 4. Okay, so guys, you will complete the first row in homework now and let me know the answers in the comments. If you have any doubts, let me know them as well. I'll see you in the next class now. Bye bye.